morning, student. Now I am going to explain you decimal numbers, how to convert to same 3 units, kilogram to gram, meter to centimeter, liter to centiliter, like that, and the 3 types of measurement. First I explained you in a simple number. Now with the decimal number, how to convert. It's very easy. Just to give attention and see how first I am doing this explanation. So let's start. Now see, one thing is first you have to decide by how much you have to divide. So here on this table only I have decided. The table here I have written that milli, centi, if it is here 3 unit basic, gram, meter, liter. So if the gram table is then milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. And if you use in length meter, then millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Then if you use in liquid liter, then it will be milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter, decaliter, hectoliter, kiloliter. So you have to learn by heart kilo, hecto, deca, liter, deci, centi, milli. That's way. So you see here different convert is there, different types. So convert this one kg into gram. This decimal number is kg into gram. And here this decimal number is gram into kg. And this decimal number is meter into kilometer. So this decimal number is liter into milliliter. So first you have to think that it is greater to smaller or smaller to greater. If it is greater to smaller, you have to multiply. If it is smaller to greater convert, you have to divide. This is the first thing to understand. What is the question? So question is convert 1.438 kilogram into gram. So on this table I find the how much it is greater unit to smaller unit. Multiply. Here will be multiply. Multiply by how much? So kilogram to gram. Kilogram to gram. Kilo, hecto, deca, gram. So here 0, 0, 0, 1. Multiply by here greater unit to smaller unit, multiply. So multiply by 1000. Then this one I am rubbing. Then next number, convert gram to kg. This decimal is gram to kg. So smaller unit to bigger unit. You have to divide. Divide by gram to kg. So gram to kg. Same gram to kg, table find out. Divide by 1000. So on this you can find out the table. So 1 kg equal 1000 gram. So gram here is here. You have to convert to kg. So divide by 1000. Then here length. Meter to convert. This is the meter to kilometer. Meter to kilometer. It is reverse. You have to divide because smaller unit to greater unit. A smaller unit to greater unit. Reverse. So it will be divide. And greater unit to smaller unit, multiply. So it will be divide. And convert meter into kilometer. Meter into kilometer. Meter, it is meter scale. Meter, this one finish, this one rough. Meter to kilometer. 0, 0, 0, 1. 1000. So, meter to kilometer, you have to divide. Divide by 1000. Meter to kilometer, gram to kilogram, kilogram to gram. Then it is liter into milliliter. Here liter, liter into milliliter. So it is greater to smaller. Liter is greater, convert to smaller unit. So you have to here greater to smaller, you have to multiply. By how much? Liter to milliliter. Liter to milliliter. Start from liter. It is liter to milliliter. From liter you write 1 to milliliter. Put 0. So this also 1000 into 1000. Liter to milliliter. 1000 milliliter, 1 liter. So now meter to kilometer. Once check it. Kg to gram, 1000, gram to kg, 1000, meter to kilometer, 1000, liter to milliliter, 1000. So now see this one. Shifting decimal chapter I explained how to shift the decimal. So if you don't know the decimal shifting, then you can do the multiply and then put the decimal. Then I will explain it how to do easily in the chart. It is the place value chart. So here into 1000, this one 1.438 into 1000. So 1000 multiply means 30. 1 multiply same. You don't put the decimal. Just multiply 2. Then 1438000. Then how many place before decimal? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 decimal. Then this 0 cut. Then answer will be 1438 kg to gram. It is gram. Same thing I will do in the chart. So here convert kg. This before decimal number is kg. Convert, here is what unit is written here. Before decimal, this one is 1 is that unit. So before decimal 1 kg. So you start from kg 1. 1 point. Here point is here. Then 438. 438. Here. So when you multiply by 1000, so when multiply, decimal shift to the right side. When you divide by 1000, decimal shift to the left side. This one important things you have to remember. When you use the chart, you have to remember decimal which side will shift. Then here divide by into 1000. So here this decimal will shift 1, 2, 3 place. 1, 2, 3 place. Then answer will be first you write the number 1438. The decimal here 3 places shifting, decimal comes here. So it will be gram. Last decimal no value, this is the gram. Here also gram. 1438 grams. This is simple. Then this one gram to kg, opposite, reverse. So you have to divide. Smaller unit to greater unit, divide. So this number, what number is the before decimal and what unit is written here. That means 1963 gram, 0.5. So this whole number is gram. So you start from here. Gram is here. So you write 3, last place is 3 gram. 3, 6, 9, 1. 1, 9 and 6, 3 gram. No, after gram is decimal. Decimal will be here. Then what is the 5? 5. Then here it is divide sign. So divide by 1000. Smaller unit to greater unit you have to divide. And we know 1 kg 1000 grams. So divide by 1000. So decimal is here. It will shift. How many place before? 1, 2, 3. It will shift to the left. So it will come left. You first write down the number 19635. The decimal is here. Then it will be shift 1, 2, 3 place before. 1, 2, 3. Decimal will come here. Then 1.9635 gram. 1 gram because 2 kg. It will be 1.96. One check. 19635. 19635 is something 5. Then here it will be decimal shifted here. It will be kg. When divide, you have to shift left side. So it was here, when gram, it was 1963.5 gram. Now it's converted to 9,635 kg. 1 kg, 9,635 gram. This is converted. Now same here, meter to kilometer. So smaller to greater, you have to divide. So decimal will shift this side, left side. So you write the number first, meter to kilometer. That means this part is meter. So start from meter. Meter. Here it will be 6, 4, 3. 346.5. Then divide by 1000. So decimal will shift this side, left side. So here it will come 3, 4, 3, 4, 6, 5. Then decimal here, it will come here before 3. Before 3, 3 place. 1, 2, 3. So here can you write no number, means you can write a 0. If you not write, no problem. So point it is 0.3465. It is kilometer. Where you can write 0. 0.3465 kilometer. Then here liter into milliliter. So 5.7 liter convert into milliliter. So this number you have to fill in milliliter. So 5 liter. 5 liter. 5 is before the decimal. So it start from liter. 5 is here. 5.78. 5.78. Milliliter column is free. You have to write here 0. No number is here. You have to write 0 because unit is converting to milliliter. In milliliter, you have to fill up. So here the into 1000. So when into liter to milliliter, greater unit to smaller unit. So you have to multiply by 1000. So 1000 decimal shift from here to 3 place right side. So it will, you write the number 5780. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 shifting here. So last no value, it will be milliliter. Then you have the decimal. Understood? You need practice, then you can understand very easy by using chart. If you feel difficult, you can use here already written here, divide by into 1000. This one also into divide by 1000. So divide by 1000 means 1963.5 gram convert to kg. So divide by 1000. Here 30. So it will come 1 point shifting this side. 1.9635 kg. And here the same thing I am explaining here only. So it is meter to kilometer. Meter into kilometer. Smaller unit to bigger unit. You have to divide. So same 346.5 meter to kilometer. So divide by 1000. Then it here divided by 1000. Then here 30 shifting this side. So point 0 can write 0.3465 kilometer. Like that only. I think you understood. Thank you.